Whoa! Really? Hi everyone, I'm Matthew. Today we'll take a look at the amazing funny videos. Subscribe to my channel and let's go! It's for real? Don't repeat this. Oh yeah, cool monkeys! It's McLaren. All attention and dangerous trick is being performed. Oh no. Yeah, cool. Good. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Nice, children. Leave your face in the snow. As original. Who are you? Monster! Wow, amazing! Good! Yeah, cool. It's very interesting. Oh.
Hi, sorry for interrupting you. Your house is beautiful. I really want to know, what do you do for a living?
I'm a real estate lawyer.
Wow, okay, thank you so much.
Beautiful home.
Sorry for interrupting you, sir. Your house is beautiful. What do you do for a living?
I'm a lawyer. I work with
Really?
pension funds.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Whoa.
Hello. Hi, your house is really beautiful, and I really wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
I'm a dreamer.
I want to be a
Amazing.
dreamer.
That sounds magical. Thank you so much. Take care.
They won't catch up with us. What's happened? Whoa, yeah. Oh. Unbelievable. Respect. Oh. That's the end of my bike. Nice cat. Oh. A very hungry cat, just like me. Very strong girl. Really? Very faster man! Flash! Oh!
Yo! What are you doing?
What?
That's my package, it's fragile.
Wait, are you filming me?
Yeah, because you broke my last 5 packages and you're a trash delivery man.
Why'd you come down here and say that?
Yo, come check this out, bro. Come see this. They got something in this water and it's like invisible, bro.
Bro, what are you talking what are you talking about, dude? You messed this up.
Yeah.
Bro, what are you doing, bro? You
Oh,
ruined
it's so good.
Okay, now look in there, bro.
You're ruining my video,
Look
bro.
in there now, bro.
Oh my god, Izzy, you don't even have your license. Oh my gosh, crackhead. Oh my god,
Oh.
Izzy! Such crackhead energy. 3 white claws in. Oh my god, where's she going? Where's she going? Oh! Oh my god, what's she doing? What is she doing? Oh my gosh, what a crackhead. What's she gonna do? Oh my god, is she gonna fall in? Oh my god, guys. Izzy fell in the water. She's such a crackhead.
Yeah.
She had all her clothes on. Guys, look how wet she is. Oh my god, Izzy, don't do it. Don't do it. That's a street. Oh my god, you almost died. Oh my god, oh my god, a crackhead! She is so crazy. Okay guys, after the long day, she finally fell asleep.
What? Oh! It's so crazy! Happy man. What? Oh my god! Whoa! Oh! Amazing! It looks cool! Yeah! Relax. Okay, next. What is this color? I'm not understand. Gray? Not gray. Oh, really? It's ink from the pages. Oh, it's actually printer's ink. What do you think? Fascinating, isn't it? Good. I wonder what will happen. What you doing? Oh, yellow chicken. But no. Black raven. Good. Okay, next. Before and after. Oh my god. Very pretty girl. Whoa, amazing. Rainbow. Good. What? Trim such beautiful long hair? To here? No, no, no. No, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. Maybe her mask is just too tight and that's not what she meant? Enough, enough, stop, stop. Thank you for watching this video. You remember? Our goal to gain 1000 subscribers. Well, put likes, write comments and of course subscribe to my channel. This is very important. And also share this video with your friends and family. I love you all very much. See you in the next video.